Next, I talk about the diagrammatic presentation of data. And in the diagrammatic presentation also, first of all, I am going to talk about the geometrical presentation of data. In the geometrical presentation, there are two kinds, the bar diagrams and the pie diagrams. The bar diagrams are further divided into simple bars, multiple bars and the component bars. Now, when I talk of the simple bar is in fact equi-spaced and equi-width presentation. That is, the bars which we draw, they are equal in space and in between also equal space is left. And these are rectangular bars. Now, if I want to talk about or draw a simple bar will be the number of students which have passed class 12th examination in the coming years or in the following years. When I say 1996, 97, 98. This I am going to present through a simple bar. So, the number of students who passed in 1996 were say 50. In 97, they rose to 70. In 98, they became 90. So, this depicts the simple bar presentation. Their width is same and the distance between them is also same. Next, I talk of the multiple bar. This kind of presentation is done for comparison. When the presentation has to show the comparison between two or more data or figures. For example, let me draw a multiple bar. A multiple bar will be, now same I want to, but I am going to talk about the failures also. So, 1996, 1997, 1998. Now, here children, the number of students who passed, as I said, were 50, but I haven't spoken about those who failed. 10 of them failed, right? 1997, those who passed, say 70, those who failed is just 10 of them. 1998, 100 students passed and say 25 of them failed. This is comparing the number of students who failed and passed. Thus, it is a multiple bar diagram wherein we are trying to represent two different information. So, it becomes multiple in nature. Next is the component bar. Now, this component bar shows the bar in subdivisions. For example, same data, I am going to present it in a component bar. Component bar will be num 1996, 1997, 1998. This is the number of students who have passed, 80. Those who have failed, 20. Right? Number of students in 1997, 70. Passed, 40. Failed, 30. In 1998, the number of students, 100. Number of students who passed, 50 and failed, 50. So, in one particular rectangular bar, when I am dividing it for giving two information from the same bar and not drawing another bar, this makes it what? This makes it as a component bar. So, these are the three forms of the bar. the simple bar, that is just a rectangular bar giving one information. This is the second form, that is the multiple bar, in which I am giving two informations and I am also drawing two rectangular bars. The third is the component bar, in which I am drawing just one bar, but I am giving the presentation through the same bar by subdividing it, by dividing it. The next is the pie diagram. Pie means circle, round. The pie diagram is a circle diagram which is dividing it proportionately into as many parts as are the components. Now, I will draw a pie diagram. Pie diagram is number of students who study in class 11. Number of students who are good at playing hockey. Number of students who attend assembly. Number of students who come every day. Number of students who are regular in the attendance. So, here what I am presenting is different information in a circle, and this I am trying to do by subdividing, by dividing the pie representation, the pie presentation, and this is called as a pie diagram. So, you have learned geometrical presentation of data, that is the simple bar and the multiple bar and also the component bar and the pie diagram.